Today, I'll show you how to cancel a limit order on Etrade. Whether you've changed your mind or need to adjust your strategy, canceling a limit order is a straightforward process. Let's dive in and walk through it step by step. First, you'll need to open the Etrade app on your device. This app is user-friendly and designed to make managing your trades as easy as possible. Once you have the app open, look for the menu icon. It's usually located in the top left or right corner of your screen, resembling three horizontal lines. Tap on that icon to access the main menu, where you'll find a variety of options related to your account and trades. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Orders section. This section is your hub for all things related to your active and pending orders. Here, you can see a list of orders you've placed, with details about each one. It's a handy way to keep track of your trading activity and make any necessary adjustments. Now, scroll through your list of orders to find the specific limit order you wish to cancel. This is an important step, so take a moment to ensure you're selecting the correct order. Once you've located it, you're ready to move on to the next part. To reveal additional options for this order, simply swipe left on it. This gesture will uncover a set of actions you can take, providing you with the flexibility to manage your orders efficiently. Among these options, you'll see one labeled Cancel. Tap on the Cancel option. This action will initiate the cancellation process for your limit order. You might be prompted to confirm your choice, which is a standard security measure to ensure you really want to proceed with cancelling the order. Once you've confirmed, the order will be cancelled and you'll receive a notification or confirmation message from Etrade. And there you have it. Your limit order has been successfully cancelled. This quick and easy process allows you to maintain control over your trading activities and make adjustments as needed. Remember, managing your orders effectively is key to successful trading, so don't hesitate to revisit these steps whenever necessary. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you navigate the Etrade app with confidence. Keep exploring and trading wisely.